we're doing Sanofi. We're doing so many with the top player market in Africa, with the multinational company and with also the local company. Our marketing share in Africa now, we are with the top player market, Sanofi, GSK, Cooper Pharma, Smabeco. Yeah, we're doing Sanofi. We're doing so many with the top player market in Africa, with the multinational company and with also the local company. Our marketing share now very good, and we need to be increased in the next 5 years. But our main business is the pharma industry. This is our main target in Africa. Since I joined the Canaan, the demand for them is few, not that much big. But actually, years after years, the demand started to be like, when I come to Canaan, I joined to Canaan, they ask just only for some lifters, some pens or something like that. But after a while, after they understand the company, after they know us, we are the top, they started now to order the complete line. So in the business is one method, try, then trust. So the customer first try, then after that they trust. Now we just again confirmation order by email, no need just like we spend more time like than before. Everything is easy. This question I just need to, let's say back 5 years ago, 2020, when the COVID pandemic started. Actually, if you remember, so many suppliers started to manufacture mask machines. So why the mask machine? Because this is just the new strategy for this kind of COVID. Because sometimes, we go into the pharmacy, the mask machine in this to sell. So the people started to do the business for the mask. So I think after this, the vaccine industry started to be development. Actually, China already, when we already take vaccine, and also when you go to just for the vaccine, you can find the Chinese Sinovac in the list with the Pfizer, with the AstraZeneca, with some country now started to develop this industry, because we don't know what will going to happen in the future. So we have to be ready for this kind of the project here, because we don't need to go to import from outside. We have to local this industry in Africa area. So we with Canaan, we know we have the know-how for the oncology, because the first oncology project was the Pfizer Pakistan. So we started from this. So the oncology and the API for the raw material, I think this is it will be the future project and the future demand. It will be in Africa, and we hope it will be can develop more and more, and started to develop the high containment, the OEP project. So let's see what in the future what will bring us. Yes, we get one project in Algeria for this, and this is Containment. Also, as I tell you, it's a new industry there. I mean, the government and the policy supported them to do this kind of this industry. So the people come to us, and the people visit us in the exhibition and see, discuss, and see every single question we solve it to them. The people, as I tell you, they trust, and when they trust, they just follow you. We hope we can increase our marketing in the high containment project.